Pretty much a 1991. Automatic. Manual window. The dash is good. It's a 91 automatic. Nothing too special, except for the Gen 4. Start it up. Keys. AC heater works. AC is really cold. Gen 4 automatic. Get the Berk exhaust, TRD rear spring, HR front springs, some GR2s. Alright, I'm gonna put in reverse. Drive. Shifting's a little bit laggy, but it's an automatic transmission, so can't really compare it to the manual transmission. I like the gearing on this thing. When you go on the freeway, you're doing like 80 miles an hour, less than 3,000 RPM. Not bad, automatic. car's a 1991 MR2 automatic Gen 4 swap. The shifting on the car is not that, it's very laggy. So it's not compared to like a manual transmission where you can just shift really fast, you know. The car does drive. It's meant to be basically just a driven car. So it's not made to be racing, you know, drag race or anything, because the transmission will not hold it. The automatic transmission is not built for a turbo, so I just put it in just to see how it is, and it drives pretty good. Is it faster than the MR2 turbo that I have at home? No, of course not. It's not fast. But on the freeway, it drives really well. Doing 80 miles an hour, I'm only at like 2,900 RPM, which is a pretty good gas saving. The gearing is really good as well. So I mean, stop and go, it drives. Just gotta go easy on it. You can floor it, but it takes a while for the gear to shift. The transmission is not built for a turbo. So that's just my experience on the car. The car does have AC. Stock radio works decent. Rear upholstered seats, and it's a good daily driver. It's just take point A to point B with some turbo, automatic transmission. You don't have to worry about shifting anymore. It does drive kind of weird hearing the turbo spooling, and I'm not doing anything. I'm just stepping on the gas. So it's pretty fun to drive. It's an interesting car. So